Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Kahoot quiz public. First, log into your Kahoot account and find the quiz you want to share. Once you've located it, click on the quiz to open its details. Look for the Edit or Settings button, usually found near the quiz title. This is where we'll adjust the visibility options to ensure everyone can find and play your awesome creation. It's a simple process to get your quiz out there. Now that you're in the quiz settings, scroll down to find the Visibility or Privacy section. This is the crucial step. You'll likely see an option currently set to Private. Click on this to change it to Public. Making it public means anyone can search for and play your Kahoot. Don't forget to save your changes after selecting Public to ensure the new setting is applied correctly. It's that easy to share your quiz with the world. With your Kahoot now public, it's discoverable by anyone using the Kahoot platform. You can share the direct game link or the unique PIN with your friends, students, or colleagues. Simply copy the link from your browser or find the game PIN when you start a live session. You can also tell people to search for your quiz by its title within Kahoot. Get ready for some fun and engagement with your newly public quiz. To maximize engagement, make sure your Kahoot's title and description are clear and inviting. A good description helps players understand what your quiz is about. Also, consider reviewing your quiz periodically for any updates or improvements based on player feedback. And hey, while you're making things awesome, remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy Kahooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.